Good evening, bestie. So it's almost 12 in the midnight na, but I can't sleep and I don't really know what's the reason behind it. So to make use of time, I'll be doing makeup at this very moment, and I don't really know what will happen after this one, and I hope I can sleep na. So yeah, I'll just show in the video what was my chosen look after kong ma-edit ito. But for now, let me just, think of the best and the easiest makeup look that I can do at this very moment. Kahit limited lang yung mga gamit ko. So I'll be utilizing these things inside my bag kasi I don't have time na to look for my other makeup kit. So yeah, I'll be right back. My face is already prepped now with skincare. So what I'm going to do now is put my liquid foundation. So konti lang yung ilalagay ko since hindi naman glam ang gagawin kong look. So ano na lang to siya na look, undecided look. Depende na lang sa kalalabasan. So ganito talaga ako mag-makeup. Unless it's a very important event, gumagamit ako ng sponge. Since this is just trip-trip lang na makeup, so ginagamit ko yung kamay ko. And it does the job naman. I don't know bakit hindi ako nakakatulog lately. Maybe because I'm anxious or maybe parang na-detense ako kasi papalapit na ang klase. Nafe-feel na siguro ng katawan ko na no more vacation. Meron kasi ako parang I don't know, usually siya nangyayari sa akin. It's my way of thinking na pag hindi ko na-enjoy yung araw or moment. For example, late akong nagising in the morning, tapos wala akong ginagawa in the afternoon. Ayaw kong matulog early in the morning, early, pag gabi na, parang ayaw kong matulog for the sake na parang nasasayangan ako sa oras. Kaya, most of the times, I'm awake when it's midnight and I can't do anything about it since it's really parang normal na siya sa akin. Kahit na meron akong work, yun talaga yung mentality ko. And I don't know why. Ayaw kong sayangin yung time. But at the same time, nasasayangan ako kasi hindi ako natutulog. So, kalaban ko pa din yung sarili ko. So, yeah, look at my face. So, I'm using Focalure products most of the time because it is affordable and maganda yung lapat ng mga foundations nila. So, medyo light yung foundation natin since may mga times na nagda-dark ako ng blush on or naglalagay ako ng contour. So, yun, hinahanapan ko na lang ng paraan para medyo hindi naman maputi yung mukha ko. So, I don't know about the light. Parang nasa gilid kasi yung light ko, hindi ko kayang ilagay in front of me. So, next that I will do is surely my brows. So, for my brows, I'm using a product from Beauty Glazed. So, yung mga eyeshadow palette ko din, meron din akong Beauty Glazed na brand. So, this is color brown para malighten yung kilay ko. Gusto ko ito siyang gawin since, I don't know, parang nakakabata pag light yung kilay mo. And ito lang, binabrush ko lang siya. Just like that. So, I don't know, hindi ako masyadong precise gumawa ng kilay. But later on, lilinis ko siya. For now, hahayaan ko na ganyan yung mukha niya. Since pwede naman siyang lagyan ng concealer for precision. So, on the other side, this product is very nice. Basta talaga marunong ka lang gumamit. And I feel like matagal ko to siyang magagamit since maraming laman yung mismong product. So, medyo hinihinaan ko yung boses ko since natutulog na sila mama at si papa. And my brother also is already asleep. So, parang okay naman na yung kilay ko. What will I do next is I'll do my eyeshadow. So, kinuha ko pa yung eyeshadow ko kasi yun nga nakatago siya. So, this is what I'm telling you kanina that this is one of my palettes from Beauty Glazed. Kasama siya nitong aking brow gel, something like that, brow pigment. So let me show you. So kitang-kita niyo naman, na gamit ko na talaga 'tong palette na 'to. And yeah, you can see the variety of colors. Meron tayong nudes, meron tayong dark, meron tayong neon or colorful. Meron din tayong shimmers. And isa sa kagandahan nito is meron na siyang mga blushes and meron na siyang pang-contour. 'Di ba? Saan ka pa? So I will try to look for the link of this palette para you can try because it is really proven and tested. It is one of my beloved palettes. Hindi ako pinapahiya nito sa mga makeup chucho ko. Kasi nag-freelance din ako mag-makeup. I am not a professional makeup artist, but I'm trying to be. So, sana pala rin sa industry. So, firstly, uh, when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I chose colors that complement my morena skin. Marami na nangyari sa face ko. Kaso, yung audio nawala. So, ang mangyayari, nag-VO na lang ako as of the moment. So, if napapansin ninyo, naglalagay na ako ng wing eyeliner. Mas gusto ko yung wing eyeliner na parang soft lang. Kaya gumagamit na lang ako ng black eyeshadow para yun yung maging wing eyeliner ko. So, na-i-flash ko na yung Focalure na mga brushes. Yun talaga yung favorite ko ng mga brush. Kaya if you like to try the product, I'll link my showcase sa TikTok para you can buy. So, madami akong chika niyan. And yun nga, sayang yung mga chika ko kasi wala palang audio. So, powder. Normal lang yan na powder. Any powder will do. If you feel like masyadong dewy yung face mo and gusto mong at least man lang mag-matte finish, so yun yung powder. So, as of the moment, naglalagay na ako ng favorite ko na blush. Lahat po ng products na na-flash ko dito sa video ay nasa showcase ko. Kasi nga, nag-a-affiliate po ako sa TikTok para at least meron akong commission. So, yeah. Ginagamit ko din as contour yung blush ko kasi it makes my face look plump. Gusto ko yung parang buhay na buhay. Hindi siya dark. Most especially pag gusto mo lang ng soft look. So, I'm flashing right now the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. So, yeah, ang ganda-ganda ng palette na 'to. Favorite ko talaga siya. Parang wala ka nang hahanapin pa kasi lahat ng colors andoon. Yung mga basic nudes andoon din. Tapos ano siya, beginner friendly siya. And yung pigment talaga, mga bestie, the best. So ito, the reason why I put white eyeliner sa waterline ko is that parang lumalaki yung mata ko, parang buhay na buhay. Puwede naman maglagay ako ng eyeliner na brown or black, pero for this look, I feel like gusto kong buhay na buhay ang mata ko. Lalo na during this time, hindi pa ako natutulog. So, dapat talaga buhay na buhay tayo. Okay. So, this lip tint na ginagamit ko is part siya sa package from Werica na I don't know kung ano siya, parang it's a business name. So, pipili ka kung bundle ng 499 or 299 or 199. So, dito, naglalagay na ako ng contact lens ko. Actually, nakasuot na ako ng contact lens na yan. Maganda yung lapat ng contact lens kasi natural looking lang siya. And next will be the hair. Kasi yung napili ko na
extension dito is not close to the color of my hair, kaya it's very struggling. Kaya hindi na lang ako gumamit ng extension. So, ito na yung look. Very simple lang. And, I'm not going anywhere naman. Gusto ko lang maglibang and yun nga, para after this one, I will feel tired and hopefully makakatulog na rin ako. Boosh. So, this is the final look. Fresh, fresh ang atake. Bye!